Hey, what's up guys, my name is David and today I will show you how to uninstall an application on Windows 11 operating system. Well, there are a couple of ways how to do that. I will show you two of them. You will reach the same place through both ways, and this is the easiest way how to uninstall something. So first one will be to search in the search bar just apps, and you'll reach settings application, and from here you will have just to search the app which you want to uninstall. So just hit again one more time apps, and here you can locate every app that is installed on your Windows, on your computer, on your laptop. I have tons of games, tons of programs. Let me see if I can find something that I want to uninstall. I think no, iTunes. I need that for my iPhone. Java, that can stay. Microsoft Office. I think I can uninstall this Quick Assistant app from Microsoft. You will have three dots on the right side. Then I will press on uninstall, and one more time, and it just started the uninstalling process. And the app is gone. Now I will show you another way how to get here. You can right click on your Windows and go to settings. It's right click, not left click, and the same way you have to click on apps and install apps, and from both ways you'll get here. Just in case your search bar didn't show up, do not worry, just right click on your Windows and press setting, then apps and installed apps, and here you can see everything that is installed. The third way, just as a bonus, let's open my computer, and you'll locate here three dots, and if we press on properties, then the same menu will pop up, and we can locate apps and installed apps. Now guys, I want to thank you a lot for watching. If I helped you, don't forget to smash the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll try to get to you as soon as possible in the comment section if nobody will respond to you. I want to wish you something. Please have the greatest day you can possibly have.